Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour. Round 2021. Here's the trampoline in 2016. Here is the practice facility 20 by 20. Here's the open practice field. Bam. Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm, so we gotta hurry up. Bia! Holy God! Here's the football corridor. Football corridor! Here's the lacrosse goal and rebounder. Here is the hot tub and dock box. Here's the spare room. Here's the facility. Here's that, guys. Here's that. Here's extra team space. Here's the 2021 stadium in 2021 upcoming season. We do not have practice tomorrow. Here's the Kubota Fun Zone. Here's that, guys. It's gonna snow, I guarantee you. Friday's supposed to rain, we're gonna get snow. – 100%. Don't care about the other people. I really don't care. I built this place. I want. I built this place. I built this place. I want. It's all me. Versus yeah, guys. Yes, guys. I have no school tomorrow. I go to the Miami community. I go to the Calabasas Community School. There's where the Cub Cadets go. There it is.